right, we just got to Busco Beach. It's Thursday. We have 3 vehicles. We have 6 cross carts. Can't wait to test the ZX11 cross cart. Scott can show off his cross cart, fully painted, finally fully done. Let's get unloaded. It's only Thursday, and this is the first fix. I was riding probably 50% hard, so I was getting on it a little bit, and then we were just going for a cruise, and then I fell apart. You're stuck, huh? I'm just trying to break it loose. Did you take the nuts off? Yeah. Nope.
If you want to, we can do that, but like once the axle's out of the way, we can get in there and take all this apart, weld it up, and then just throw the axle back on. Why you're gonna get redesign this?
Hi. Hey.
Jumper Cable Dads?
Jumper Cable Dads.
Really?
Yeah, how you doing?
Flash? I'm good, man.
Yeah?
Alright, good morning everybody. Thank you for coming out to Mini Mayhem Fall 2023. Alright, so right after this morning meeting, we are going to do the opening ride, which is going to be the easy kind of like a parade lap of Busco Beach, basically, where everyone's going to line up their builds right here, and you're going to follow Colin and John, which are going to be wearing these flags Ike will demonstrate. Beautiful.
Okay. Okay.
Let's have a fun weekend, guys. Thank you everyone for coming, and let's get lined up for a first ride.
amidst all the mayhem going on, about midday Saturday, we went over to the drag strip with a radar gun to help Charles film the Super Hog doing some drag races. So it broke again. The splines are all messed up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill this with weld. We're gonna knock the shaft out the other end, and then we're going to fill pretty much every splined hole on the other side, on the inside of this hub. It is 100% permanent. If it doesn't work, I'll have to get a whole new rear end. Yep. That's a wallered out bolt hole.